Welcome to Tulsa Bhavani English School student. Welcome to virtual classroom. How are you? Fine student? It not cool then study. It not cool then study. Study in class 3rd standard. Subject English. Subject English. And first lesson the den. First lesson the den. Student, take your notebook and pencil and write the topic name. And write the topic name. So write it. When do you get up in the morning? When do you get up in the morning? Have you seen sunrise? Have you seen the sunrise? Are there birds in your compound? Morning is a beautiful time. Morning is a beautiful time. It is a very quiet. It is a very quiet. Student, notice this. It is a nice time to learn. It is a nice time to learn. In this story, you meet Uncle Pathak who get up early in morning. A story is Uncle Pathak get up at 5 a.m. Uncle Pathak get up at 5 a.m. He does his washing, brushing and say a prayer. He does his washing, brushing and say a prayer. He tell God, have a nice this morning. Thank you for making it. Thank you for making it. Children, do you get up early in morning? Why? Children get up early in morning? Yes. Because every morning and daily work, your daily work start. Brushing, bathing, washing and pray the God and get up ready to go to school. Yes, na student? Understood student? As well as Uncle Pathak's get up at 5 a.m. Uncle Pathak's daily routine is 5 a.m. and morning, and there are her daily work and there are daily work. So your work brushing and go to school, her uncle's work is different work. Get ready 5 a.m. and her work is start. Washing, brushing, bathing, pray the God and thank the God making a beautiful morning. Uncle Pathak thanks the making the morning. Student, making definition I understood you. Making, manufacturing. Making means manufacturing. Manufacturing, just your mama, student, just your mama make new foods for you daily. Make new foods for daily. So as well as making. So God has made nature for you. Nature for you. Example, morning, night, evening, etc. is a part of nature, and Uncle Pathak is thanks for God. Uncle Pathak is thanks for God. It is nice to sit and watch the morning. It is nice to sit and watch the morning. A mummy crow and little crow are taking a different sound. Student, every morning Uncle Pathak sit a courtyard. Every morning Uncle Pathak sit the courtyard and observe the surrounding area. Uncle Pathak surrounding the area like a mummy crow and little crow are chirping a different sound. Student, did you know in the morning there are different sound the birds? Do you know? Yes or no? So you observe it. It. Choo choo, sparrow is choo choo, crow is cow cow, etc. Her birds are different sounds. chirping. The grandma in next house in sweeping the courtyard. Student, the grandma is the sweeping the courtyard. The grandma is sweeping the courtyard. Do you know your mother sweep the courtyard every morning, student? To understood, student? Do you do you know your mother sweeps the courtyard every morning? Yes or no? So observe you. Also, the grandmother next door sweep the courtyard. The grandmother sweep the courtyard. Uncle Pathak is observe the grandmother daily routine is the courtyard as sweeps. Okay, your mother, you observe it, your mother sweep the courtyard. So, courtyard definition, the area outside, the courtyard, the area outside, the house of called courtyard, the area outside, your house outside, your house outside is area, back space are called courtyard. Tiger, their dog is breaking at the gate. Uncle Pathak has trained him well. She will well mannered. There guards the small gate. Will uncle sit and reads newspaper in the morning. Tiger. The tiger is uncle's dog name. The tiger is Pathak uncle's dog name. Uncle has trained him very good habits. Uncle has trained in very good habits dog. Every day the tiger bring the paper, stick the uncle's gate. Bring the paper, stick the uncle's gate. And Uncle Pathak get ready paper sitting on chair in the courtyard. Uncle Pathak sitting on the chair in the courtyard, student. So student, dog is tiger name. Tiger name is dog. Uncle Pathak's dog name is tiger. Every tiger's habit is good habits. Tiger's habit is good habits. Every day the tiger bring paper from uncle. Thank you, student. So understood, student? Next paragraph. It is become bright around. There is more light now. It is 5:45 a.m. See, the street light is on. The lightman will switch off the straight line at 6 a.m. by their time. Student, it start at 5:45 a.m. and brightness start now daily. Brightness start the 5 a.m. And 6 a.m. the all nature are bright, and lightman is come and turn off the lights when the lights on the poles were turned off. When the lights of the poles were turned off, lightman will come in. And do you understand, student? We can see everything without electricity, so Uncle Pathak switch off all light and fans. Uncle Pathak go to home and all rooms are fans and lights button are switch off. Out again switch off. Nature watching the habits. Student, you understood? And next paragraph is next video. Thank you, student. Student, stay home, stay safe.